Hi, it's Xavier. I'd like to welcome you to my Bonsai Retreat, but instead I'm going to be a bit cheeky. As you know from the previous video, I'm encouraging you to look back over some old stuff, which I think is particularly good. Now, for those of you who didn't have a look at the Stronsay video, I'm now going to feed you straight through to a little 5-minute excerpt of the whole 40 minutes. And for some of you, that may just be enough. So that'll give you a taste of what I will be doing when I'm up there. As you will know by now from the previous videos, there's loads of stuff in it. There's loads of bonsai stuff, there's loads of visits, there's wildlife, there's all sorts. And there's even soaring. So I'll hand you straight into that clip, and if you see that and want to watch more, then please hang around for the end, hit the link to the full video, and if this is just enough, well, thanks very much for watching it. And I promise you that once I've got back from this difficult 3 weeks of operations and stuff like that, I will try to schedule in some proper now material. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoy. Hi, it's Xavier. I've just popped off the A9 in Glencass, just outside Perth, because I found out about this place. If you can see it there, it's called the Linden Garden Center, and if you have a look for bonsais anywhere in Scotland, there's this one. There we go. Oh. Right. Okay. Wind's going to be like, but this is the view I get from my front window. There's the Expressions van. I'm up here looking at birds, but I'm going to take some bird shots, and but basically I'm into the coastal walks now. And best thing about coastal walks, but when we first came up here in 2002, we were actually going to buy the pub on this island. And I remember little Tammy, who you've only seen as Big Tammy, she used to love riding the donkeys here, as did weeny little 4-year-old James. But yeah, all that moss. I remember one year I brought all the moss back with me. Funny enough, it didn't last the journey. Don't know if you can see them with this camera. There we go. Do you believe we've got our first seal spot? There we go. They're so curious. Hello. It is also an island that still has the influence of the Masons, and that there is their Masonic Hall. Apparently they still hold meetings there. Well, we've had our calm day. I was going to go to one of the bays, but it's absolutely hammering it. And just to prove this is actually really sand, that's actually sand down there. It's not a green screen, although we've got green grass. Some of the other attractions, literally a foot away, it's already giving me queasies in my tum. Queasies in my tum. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So we'll keep on walking. That could potentially be a Yamatori bonsai. What do you reckon? Not sure what that is. It looks a bit like it's got some good movement in it anyway. Okay, so I'm probably one of the best days I've been here. There is the vat of Gerberster. I'm assuming the vat's a bit in the middle. Well, like all good walks, the rain in Stronsay will often decide it's time for you to finish.
Well, fancy seeing you here. It's great to see you. Do you know, the sun is coming in on my right-hand side. I might get a little bit of seal burn. And by the way, Xav, don't know where he is, don't care, but he bores me senseless.
And I bet you thought you were going to get through this trip and not see anything about bonsai. Well, that wouldn't be fair, would it? Because it is a bonsai channel after all. And you know that I got a lot of my olearia and a few other things from the good brothers here at the cottage. I think that's coming back to me, back to England in the good old Expressions van. It's got some roots on the end that's been growing along the concrete top, so we'll put that to one side. Bonsai cow. There we go. Hello, mate. They're basking in the autumn sun. I'm at Watson Bonsai and I've just learnt so much, and I thought I was an expert. I'm not. I'm an absolute dummy. So anyway, I'm going to give you a little tour of the benches and that. And, so you're putting it right back to a yeah.
Plus, I've got an unintended tremor, so the scissors might move about a bit. Well, you can wear a white pine anytime, but if you wear them now, you might be taking off in January.
And just to excite you even more, just unpacking the van with all my different sorts of Orkney rock, and there's all sorts of shapes and goodness knows what there.